Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christian and I'm trader and mentor with 8 years of experience. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll learn something totally different about trading. And just to let you know that every single Sunday I upload a free weekly market outlook where you will get a free analysis for an upcoming week, so make sure you will hit that subscribe button. Let me guys just start with the explanation about candlesticks. First, I would like to explain you what is candle, how it is opening, and when we have a green candle, when we have a red candle. Then I would like to show you the secret why successful and profitable traders are not trying to focus on that candles, and actually we are not using it. Okay, so let's start here. For example, let's start with the left one, with the green one. Okay, the green one, we have a candle we will watch, for example, a 4-hour candle. So what does this mean? The 4-hour candle means, it means that we have to wait 4 hours before we will see a close of that candle. Okay, so at the beginning of first hour the price will open somewhere. It can open, it can open there, and then it can push a little bit lower, and then in next 3 hours it will push higher and make new high, and then before the closing it will push a little bit back and it will close over there. So what does this mean? At the beginning of these 4 hours the market has opened lower and has closed higher. Okay, so what does this mean? That we have a price which is trying to rise. Okay, so we have a green candle because the price has opened higher. It closes higher than it opens. Okay, and these are the wicks. This is what we are calling the wicks. Okay, and they're in the downtrend market. Okay, when we see the red candle, how does it works? We will see that it will open over there, then it will push a little bit higher, trying to push higher. Okay, then it just started to reverse. It is pushing lower, and then going lower, and then it will close somewhere there. Okay, so what does this mean? The price is going lower, it is pushing lower. Why? Because we opened higher and we closed a lower. Okay, so that should be really logical to you. There's not complicated to understand things like that. Okay, so what I see that people are trying to trade based on those candles. Okay, they are trying to use the strategies with pin bars which are actually not working. Okay, so sometimes they are true and sometimes they are wrong, but they are talking that many times that this strategy works. Now I will go into details and I will show you why this works sometimes and why it doesn't. Okay, for example, if we will watch the 50 example in one trend, for example, okay, we'll take for example a uptrend, then we will see that 50 examples will not work. Okay, and then one example will work. So what does this mean? You will have to treat every single one of that candle to test it. Okay, so let me move on the examples so you guys understand that much clearly. Okay, so what they are trying to do. So when they will see that charts are trying to push lower, they will try to sell. Okay, so for the example, they will start somewhere there. I just start randomly. Okay, and yeah, they see that the price is trying to push higher. This is some kind of engulfing candle, I think. Okay, I don't know how they call it, but it doesn't matter because I'm trying to show you the example. The price is trying to push higher, went lower, went higher, and then went lower. Okay, so what does this mean? That candle did move the market anywhere. Okay, and in the most cases you'll see that you'll get stopped out with a losing trade. Okay, the price will hit your stop loss, then the market will go in your direction. Okay, so here for example you want to take a sell. Okay, you see that big candle is trying to rise, you'll take the sell. So probably where you will put your stop loss? Probably you will put your stop loss above that candle. Okay, so price is opened here, it closes there. So we see that the price is trying to push lower, and based on that example, okay, you will probably put the stop loss there and entry will be there. So what the price will do, it will hit you with a losing trade, then the price will start to reverse. Okay, and after a few tries, for example there, the price will work and you'll jump into the profit. Okay, so after losing few times, you will finally catch the chart which is going. Okay, for example, you'll go once more sell here. Okay, you've been also stopped out. Let's go and try a few more things. Here you will get stopped out. Okay, and here you will also get stopped out. Want to see much more examples? Okay, here you will got maybe a break even if you will be enough fast. Okay, and what else do we have there? For example, there trying to sell. No. Okay, so it doesn't work. As you can see that how many times you'll have to lose the trade before you will catch the winning one. Okay, that doesn't work, and you have to check that by yourself. Okay, so go see and check it by yourself. I'm not saying anything about that, and you don't need to believe me. Okay, so you will probably end up with 10 losses before you will catch the profitable trade. So that means that you cannot simply make a profit and stay profitable trader based on that. Okay, that's not a strategy, and that pin bars are based on design. So what does this mean? That's just one view of the price. How does it form? And that's all. That cannot tell you where the price will move in the future. Okay, not makes any sense. Okay, so if you move on another preview, okay, if you will not watch, for example, there where is it right now? If you will not watch the candles, for example, you watch the bars, you will not see those pin bars or however they will call it on Heiken Ashi. You will also not see. Okay, so what does this mean? That pin bars has really bad value. Okay, that's not good value, and you cannot find it. Okay, you have to use the strategy where you will see the structures. Okay, the structure is that one which is trying to tell you where the price will move in the future. Okay, so try to find the strategy, or try to find something what has a value and what works on many examples. Okay, don't try to search for the examples where that works. Okay, because you will not become successful like that. Okay, many traders love to trade it like that. Okay, well, this is the reason, because they love it. They love it because they don't know the other things. They don't want to try something new, and they don't want to open their mind and try new things that are working. And yeah, so this is the reason why many of traders are not profitable in trading. Okay, so many traders will also tell me now, man, look, it works. Okay, so and they will show me something like that. I don't know. Let me show one example where it works. Okay, for example, they will say, look, it works. That works really wonderful. They will enter it here, put the stop loss here, and market goes. Okay, for example, there it works. That's great. It works in this example. So what about the others? Let's go move to the some trending market. Okay, let's check the 200 of those examples to see if that really works. This example works really perfect, and I didn't say anything against that example, but try to figure out on the others. Okay, so you will also find that there is also some candles which actually didn't move the market. Okay, the market stays in sideways and you will take the trade, and yeah, that's nothing. You are risking more than you will ever make. Okay, so take every single and try by your own. I'm not asking you, you don't have to believe me. I'm not asking you to believe me. Just try that by yourself, open your chart, test it, and see how it works. Okay, or maybe ask the pin bar trader for 200 examples and see how his 200 trades goes. Okay, you will get surprised. You probably get a big surprise how it works, and probably they will not show you. Okay, so guys, try to stay away from focusing or watching the pin bars, how the charts are forming and so on, because you will end up with a losing trade, or maybe you will try to figure out how they are trading, and that's not the way of trading. You will see that. Okay, so traders, make sure you subscribe there for more valuable content just like this, and don't forget that every Sunday we upload a free webinar and analysis for the upcoming week. And also there's one more thing, check the link below. I think that video will also help you on your path to profitable trading. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.